Afternoon all. In my last video, I said I will show my viewers and intending pig farmers the type of plants or vegetation that we can feed our animals with, especially the pig. And I said I will go to the bush so that I can show you the type. Yeah, here is elephant grass. The elephant grass is so good for the pig. They eat the leaf, and if possible, if you can uproot it and give them both the root, it will also be ideal for them. We also have the plantain leaf, the plantain stem, and the plantain sucker can also be given to the pig. But for the plantain leaf, you can just take it, chop into smaller pieces and give to them. But for the stem, you can just cut into pieces, add a little salt. If you want to garnish it, you can use your feed ingredients, mix it, and you can also feed it with the pig. It is also good for them. This leaf that I'm holding here is used for those who have limited blood in their body system. When you cook this leaf, the water will turn to us blood in the next 24 hours. It can be taken by individual. So the pigs too, they also eat, including the goats I have in the farm. They also feed on this leaf. For those who have grass cutter, not grass cutter, who have white rabbit in their house, who have white rabbit in their house, this leaf that you see here can also be given to this white rabbit. They love it so much, and also the pig can also eat this leaf. We have mentioned the elephant grass, we mentioned the plantain or the banana leaf. The stem can also be used. Even the sucker too can also be fed to the pigs. So let's go to other place so I can show you more. Yeah, this plant is called monkey sugarcane or okpete. For those of us in the eastern part, we use this. It's medicinal. The pig too can also eat this particular one that I'm showing you. You see, that is cassava leaf. The pig can also eat cassava leaf. Yes, we are in the bush, so I'm showing them to you one after the other. This is the okpete leaf I talk about, so they can also, you just look at the picture so I will not make mistake. So they eat that one. If you have ogo in your farm, if you have ogo, you can also give to them. These plants too, yeah, goats also eat it very, very well. So what you should do know is that any plant that goats eat, give it to pig. Pig will also eat it. From my experience, the only plant that goats refuse to eat is this awolowo leaf. The local name is called awolowo leaf, or we call it Eliza leaf. That is the leaf that I have not seen goats chew. And same thing with pig. Give it to pig, pig will refuse to eat it. So I don't know the local name of this leaf, but just look at the picture. You see the picture is the leaf or the plant can be seen in any farm. This is the ugu leaf I had mentioned. So they can also be fed with ugu leaf. So I'm in someone farm, so I'll be able to identify some of those plants that we can easily give to our pigs. Yeah, this is another one. We know this is water leaf, especially this rainy season now. They started surging out from wherever they are. They can be planted and you can find them in the white, in the bush. So water leaf is also good for them. Give them water leaf in large quantity. You see the way they will devour it. And those who live in the water area, swamp area, you have water hyacinth. So you can give them water hyacinth. It's also good for them. If you have access to moringa leaf, it's also good for them. Spinach is also good for them. You have spinach, you can give to them. We have this type of leaf we call Jesus blood leaf. I don't know the botanical name, but I have to show you the picture, how it look like. Yeah, we can also give to them. I discovered that pig, they hardly eat um, bitter leaf because of the bitter nature, which is also medicinal to them. So in giving them bitter leaf, what I do in my farm, I mix it with other leaves so that when they chew it, they will not be able to know that they have chewed bitter leaf. So these are the vegetables or the plant that I give to my animals in my farm. Anything I'm showing you is what I use. Yeah, this is the leaf I'm talking about. This red one, for those of us that, although it can be also be used cook, and you can drink it for those who need blood in their body system. Some persons use it. I don't know the botanical name, but it is not difficult for you to see in bush, especially now that the rain just dropped. A lot of them is sprouting out wherever they are. So this leaf is also good for pig, and the goat too also eat this leaf. This is another leaf too that we can also feed our pig with. Yeah, it is also good. It's good in blood supply. We can also boil this, drink the water for those who have short supply of blood in their system. We can make use of this blood. This leaf, the leaf is also good. We can feed it to the pig, and goat too also feed on this. These ones are planted in front of the farm. Yes, I have this. Hospital is too far. This is also good for pig. It's also good in blood supply too for human consumption. But what you should know is that this leaf scratches. Anytime you use your bare hand to touch it, it will scratch you. It will scratch you because, well, it's one of the defensive mechanism. That is features that you have so that you can leave the plant alone. So if I'm cutting, I will always have my hand glove on me, as you see. Then I will just peel from the edge and cut. So since the rain just fall, you can see them sprouting. But during the dry season, I was having difficulties in growing them. But as soon as they have this rain, you can see them coming up. So all you need to do is to get these leaves, these vegetables, plant them within your farm. If it is outside, better. But if it's inside, you have goats. Sorry, because the goats will help you to design it. I believe you enjoyed the video. If you have any reaction, please kindly send me a message. Thank you.